Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS Small Business and ESS BIZTOOls. We've prepared this video to go to office bearers, committee members, directors of organisations that we sent an invitation to a few weeks ago, asking you to consider becoming an affiliate of ESS Small Business for our corporate governance network promotion. We are targeting the corporate governance network at company directors and officers of SME companies and committee members and officers of not-for-profit charities, sporting and social organisations. The material that we're going to present in the corporate governance network is based on material that I utilised for promotions that were made in various regional and remote mining areas of Queensland in 2016 and 17 on behalf of AusIndustry, a department of the Australian government. What we found from that experience was that many people were interested in pursuing some additional professional development as company directors or committee members of organisations, but they were in remote locations or the timing of specialist courses didn't suit them because of business or family arrangements. And it was for that reason we decided to launch the Corporate Governance Network. We know that many organisations have difficulties with controlling costs and raising revenue. I know that because I've been actively involved in a number of sporting, charity and church organisations over the years and know what's involved. That's the reason that we have asked your organisation to consider assisting us in forwarding the promotional material to your members or database people. And if those people register via the landing page that we will supply to you to be uploaded onto your website, we will pay your organisation 25% of the registration fee for Corporate Governance Network that we receive from your members or people that are on your database. That fee will be paid by the 14th day of the following month direct into your organisation's bank account, or if you like, we will send you a cheque that you can then deposit. I thought it was an opportune time to give you an introduction to our team, because we've assembled a team of people who have got significant expertise to be able to give advice to SME company directors and committee members and officers of not-for-profits, charities, etc. Andrew Geddes is the founder of one of Australia's leading professional development organisations, FMRC, which started at the University of New England at Armidale, and he was also chair of Green Cross Limited, a listed public company which is now in the top 200 ASX companies in Australia. And he's been a director of another listed public company, and he is the advisor and mentor to a large number of professional practice firms all around Australia and SMEs all around Australia. Paul Barnaby, Chartered Accountant, is the Australian representative for Plan Guru, an international organisation that produces software for budgets and cash flow forecasting. Jordan Lowry is the Managing Director of Blackstone Business Group, and he is an expert in workplace health and safety issues and human resources people management. Trevor Marchant is the Managing Director of Marchant Dallas and is a Master Professional Sales Coach, and he will be talking about marketing and selling strategies. Greg Reddington is the Senior Partner of Coots Reddington Chartered Accountants, and he will speak on taxation matters. Dave Birch is the Managing Director of Smart As and FeeLink, and he will be making presentations on debtors systems, debtors collections, and general cash flow improvements within businesses that directors should be aware of. Ross Contarino is from the AI Group, and he is an expert in government grants that are available for companies, primarily SME companies. My own experience is that I've been an accountant, company director, company secretary of a listed public company, chief financial officer, and a consultant. I've also been the senior partner of an accountancy business. I've been involved in a number of sporting organisations. I have been a past president of the Queensland Junior Soccer Federation, and I'm a life member of North Queensland Football. I've had senior appointments within other organisations, including the Anglican Church in North Queensland, where I was the honorary treasurer. The team of people we've assembled, we believe, have got significant knowledge, understanding, and experience in the sort of issues that people who are company directors of offices of SME companies or are committee members of not-for-profits, charities, sporting and social organisations encounter on a day-to-day basis. The webinar workshops are going to be presented in 8 individual presentations of 90 to 120 minutes each. In each presentation there will be 3 to 4 guest presenters making presentations of approximately 10 minutes, and those keynote presenters will be supplying briefing notes which will be available to subscribers to download from the members area of the ESS Small Business website. The first webinar workshop is on Wednesday the 25th of July at 12 noon, but we're also repeating that first webinar workshop on Wednesday the 15th of August at 7 p.m. We are experimenting to see what is the preferred time, and if there are people who prefer both of those times, then we will continue with the presentations being made at alternative times that suits individual subscribers. To obtain more information on the program, what we're going to be discussing, and on the presenters, I would invite you to go to www.esssmallbusiness.com.au and click on to Corporate Governance Network. If your organisation has decided to join us as an affiliate, please complete your affiliate information form and email that back to us so that we can set your organisation up within the affiliate tracking software that we have subscribed to. And that will mean that any registrations that are processed by your members or people on your database via your website will be recorded as having originated from your organisation, and that way we know where to pay the introduction fee. If you don't have a website but your organisation would still like to participate in this campaign, we can accommodate you. Can you let us know, please? And we will then send you a special letter which will have a code included within it, which we would then ask you to send that letter to your clients, members, people in your database, and that way we'll be able to track where the registration has come from. Thank you for considering our invitation to participate as an affiliate within the Corporate Governance Network. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. And we look forward to members and associates of your organisation joining us on the Corporate Governance Network during 2019. and 1819. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.